Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the easy hardware causes. Use an Apple-certified Lightning cable and a known good adapter or USB-C 2030W charger. Plug directly into a wall outlet. Make sure you try at least 2 cables and 2 outlets so you aren't misled by a bad charger. Visually inspect the Lightning port inside the right ear cup and the magnetic ear cup rims. If you see lint, use a soft brush or canned air carefully to clear debris before proceeding. Once you've cleaned and swapped cables, perform a reset so the headphones can renegotiate charging. Hold the digital crown and noise control together for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. This clears transient faults. Then connect to your iPhone and open Settings Bluetooth to view battery percentages and firmware information. Updates can fix charging bugs. After the reset, test charging again with the alternate cable and adapter, and observe whether the iPhone shows charging or the LED responds. If you've swapped cables, reset, tested multiple power sources, and the AirPods Max still won't charge, escalate to hardware service. Try one last time with a known good Apple-certified cable and a powered USB-C adapter. If nothing changes, contact Apple support or book a Genius bar. The Lightning port or internal battery module may need replacement. Make sure you can tell them which cables, adapters, and LEDs you tried. Documenting those tests makes a faster, more accurate diagnosis and avoids unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.